What's up, everybody? This was pretty much my haul for the day. Some Matchbox Moving Parts, which I'm gonna head and open these up. So pretty much what I do with those for the most part. But real quick, there's two other things that I got this past Friday at a nearby Walmart near the toy shop that I went to this past Friday. Did find GK's Treasure Hunt, this little pedal driver, which this thing's pretty like right up. It's kind of hard to kind of make it out a little bit there, but the logo is hidden within the lights on there. On both of the lights, it has the logo. I don't know if you can really see that on here, but you can kind of. Oh, there we go. There's a clear shot. There you go, right there. So it's the second one for 2025 that I found. I got this one in the rig store. And if you heard that, that's my cat meowing. And then I also did pick up a 132 scale Jada, the white Supra from Furious 7. So I had to pick that guy up because I still haven't seen the Brian Silver Series set around here yet. So I went ahead and at least got this one right here, this variety of it, because I do collect some of these, this size here, of mostly the Fast and Furious stuff. So that's going to go on my little shelf behind me, where I keep all of my 132 scale stuff at. And then before we get into this, if you haven't checked out my last few videos, ended up being in 4 parts. Tried to edit it all together into one thing, but the audio was did not work out for some reason, so I just split it up into the 4 parts that it was in. And it was at a toy shop nearby, so definitely check that out and see some older stuff. But anyways, let's go ahead and get into this. And we'll go ahead and start off with this, since this was the first thing I found today. I found this at Target. Then I did find it again at another Walmart, where I got the rest of it at. But anyways, let's go ahead and open these up and take a look. And then at the Target, they did get an F case in, but I was late to that. Oh, it's there in the morning at least, but not like first thing or anything, but it's just some fantasies left over. But yeah, so anyways, I got this 61 Chevy Quivera ramp side pickup, which was a new one for last year. It was in blue. I never found that, but I think this looks better in red anyway, so I'm glad I found this version of it in red for this year, 2025. No detail on the back there. That's alright, because we do have the side stuff here. We do have a full front end on there. It's cool. And then, of course, the moving part on here is going to be this little side ramp here. Yeah, so if you had like a little, like one of the little Hot Wheels motorcycles or something, turn it up in there. Although, like it's mostly a plastic bed, a little bit of metal right there. But yeah, there you have that one. Still pretty cool. A little older style pickup truck. Looks good in red. And then let's go with the 2020 Dodge Charger SRT Hellcat. Then also at the Walmart that I found this at, they did get in some DKs finally at that one. But I pretty much have everything from that case already. We'll pop it out from the back here. This one looks like it's going to be done up pretty good. Oh yeah. There we go. It's like this one's got like the metallic flake stuff in it, so it's like really sparkly. Like the wheels on this one. We got a full backside on there. License plate as well. Awesome. Full front end as well. Red interior on there. Sunroof. This one have the opening hood. And that's gonna be one of those ones that doesn't want to stay up on its own. So you have that. So yeah, can't really display it with the hood up. But this is pretty nice. So, there you go. There you have that one. And we'll do that one last since it's a new one for this year. Then we got the 06 Ford Crown Vic. And this one's gonna have opening doors. It's supposed to be the back doors since it's a cop car. Probably should have kept these with each thing so I know which. Yeah, there we go. Might put them back in there for storage for now. Oh, it's like, that's interesting. Got like some magnet thing on the bottom here. I wonder what that's about. Have to look into that. Anyways, not really a full backside. Kind of got like some taillights on like the side corners there. AFB Security. Skybusters. I don't think that's supposed to be like the airport police, I guess. But we do have like the lens headlights. This is part of the window piece along with the light bar up the top there. And you can see through the dash there. There is like a yeah, like one of the little laptop things that they have or whatever. Anyways, let's get them doors open. I can even see the window piece through the thing here. Alright, come on. Let's open it. Alright, oh, them seats are high up. Look how high them seats sit. Man, I guess suspect's gonna have to lay down in the back seat. Ain't no room to sit. But yeah, pretty cool. This is the 06 Ford Crown Victoria. Cool. And then finally, we have the new one for 2025. This 2016 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. Let's get this open. And then also today I did see at Ross this new Silver Series Batman set, 10-car set. It's basically kind of similar to like the Fast and Furious set. It was like a compilation of some of the different cars from the different sets that they have for the silver line. But that's for like $10. I didn't pick it up or anything, but because there was only the TV series Batmobile in it. It's like a purple. It looks really cool. That one's awesome. It's got a metal base on it too because I was looking closer at it. And then the GCPD charger in there is really well done too. So it's the only two I would have wanted out of there. Oh, I left it. So this would be available individually, but I've never seen them around here. I've only seen them in that box set. Ooh, this one's gonna have the opening doors. And we do got taillights on the back there, spare tire. Do got headlights, nice. And then these surfboards can come up off of there. Just I go right back in the little slot right there. That's the pretty nice looking yellow one here. Matchbox on the surfboards. Yeah, it's kind of cool. And then my local Walmart, which I went to twice today, they're in the middle of rearranging the toy section. So some stuff did go out throughout the day. I got these new Nano Fast and Furious sets, like a 9-car set, 2 different ones, which are Walmart exclusive. I remember watching something with the Jada guy, or someone representing Jada. It was supposed to be like a Walmart.com exclusive, but I guess they decided to just have them in Walmart itself. So that was cool to see those. Like $10 each on those. Didn't pick those up either, but so there you have that. Matchbox Moving Parts. Part of the new set hitting shelves right now. So good luck if you're trying to find any of these. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.